everyone. I'm Patricia from South Korea, a member of the Pink Bird Protection Committee. In my day job, I manage production for pink feather products. And here's a fun fact about myself. I'm surprisingly good at mimicking the sound of a black cat.
Hey there, I'm Ignatia from China. In the Pink Bird Protection Committee, I check pink feathers quality because freedom should always be fluffy.
Hello everyone, konnichiwa. I'm Olivia, originally born in Japan. I'm in charge of PR for our pink feather products. Always keep pink feathers in your heart. Go, go, Pink Bird!